In this video I will show you how I created these Avengers characters using AI website. Open your browser and search for styler.ai. You will need to sign up in this website. Select New Project. There are two options. Convert image to image. Convert text to image. Select text to image. In prompt, describe what you want to create. I am creating Avengers characters. Then choose a style. I am selecting Innocent Cutie. Click on Stylerize. It will provide you 4 results. Similarly, I am creating other characters. There is limit based on credit. Credit refresh after every 7 days. Now select the images you wish to download. Place on canvas. Right-click and select Save as Image. That's it. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.